Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. We'll do a full update. I just wanted to make an update on that because I know a lot of you actually still do hold and trade it. Still, a lot of people are interested in that, and that's why I wanted to make an update. Because as far as price action goes, there's not a lot going on with Pepe. It's basically been in this in this very small consolidation right here between like 7,500, which is a strong psychological level, and then you have like 8,200 / 8,000 up here, which is a very strong technical level, and Pepe has kind of been ranging within that area. I do have, see, the interesting part is that Pepe, like it's very bearish right now, but historically, like Pepe has always still rallied even when it was quite bearish at certain points of time. So we'll talk about that as well, the possibility of that, whether I, excuse me, but whether I expect something like that or not. Just in general, my full thoughts based on a full technical analysis on Pepe. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group, in which I share my own trades as signals, also my own buys. I've been focusing on a strategy trying to catch those really big rallies like Flamingo and Perpetual, which we did. So if you're interested in that, and also in a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Pepe. So, the biggest question is Pepe dead right now? At least to me, that's the biggest question. And I actually would say that it is dying. If you take a look at the volume, it's basically been in a linear downtrend since the beginning of the month, and also before that, obviously volume peaked a little bit right here when Pepe crashed. But that's not necessarily a good thing, all right? That means a lot of selling volume, and then obviously it was also because of the former team selling. So volume right now is around $41 million. I expect that to keep decreasing, and with that, overall, the general direction of Pepe remains like this, down. All right. Now, in the middle of that bearish momentum, there is potential for bullish momentum as well. Like for example, today, like the main thing you would have to watch is Bitcoin. Today we have some big economic events. I would say if Bitcoin is actually able to break above 25,800 and get up towards 26,200 and 26,400, which is technically the top of that range. And we have to take a look at Bitcoin, because the only way I think Pepe can rally right now is because of bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin. So if something like that would happen, we get positive news and Bitcoin gets that small rally / bullish breakout, then I actually do think that Pepe will break above 8,200 right here. And once that's broken, that's a big bullish breakout. So then Pepe will probably get up towards like 8,800 and 9,000. So that's a possibility, but first of all, it's dependent on what Bitcoin does. Second of all, I do not see Pepe breaking above 9,000 right here under the current market circumstances. So even though something like this is possible, it's better than to just wait for confirmation if you would like to enter that. By waiting for a bullish breakout above 8,200, because until that happens, until that momentum comes, it's still most likely that Pepe will just continue its bearish momentum and drop down towards 7,000. Those are my thoughts. All right, so unless proven otherwise, Pepe is still very bearish in a downtrend. Trust has been lost in the team. Volume is decreasing, so therefore I expect 7,000, and then after that probably also this level above 6,000. I'm just pointing you towards the possibilities of a rally, all right? But like I said, that will need a bullish Bitcoin. So if you would like to trade Pepe at this point in time, it's better to just almost, like, it's not advice, but it would be better to just short and look at Bitcoin. And then if Bitcoin is doing well, then you might be able to open a long on Pepe. But that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.